morning, mathematicians. I want to share another strategy with you that's going to help you to be a great problem solver, and it's called visualizing math problems. If you look at the word visualizing, you might not have seen that word before, but I bet if you look at it closely, there's a word you've seen before, visual. Visual makes me think of the word vision, which I know has to do with what I see. And so visualizing math problems means actually seeing them, seeing the math problem along the way. Okay, so let's look at a math problem here, and let's see if we can visualize this math problem. Okay, it says, Morgan went to lunch with a friend at McDonald's. Well, I've been to McDonald's before, so I've kind of got an idea of what that looks like. She ordered blank chicken nuggets, and her friend ordered blank chicken nuggets. What is the total number of nuggets Morgan and her friend ordered? So I'm going to go ahead and do my cube strategies on this problem. Okay, so I'm going to underline my question first. What is the total number of nuggets Morgan and her friend ordered? So I know I'm looking for nuggets. So I'm going to need this number right here. She ordered blank chicken nuggets, but I don't know what it is. And then her friend ordered blank chicken nuggets. I'm also going to need this number. All right. If I look through my question, what is the total number of nuggets Morgan and her friend ordered? Or the word total is a word I might box because total tells me I need all of them. I need all of those put together. So if I get a movie going, I tell my kids, think about a movie in your head. So I see Morgan at McDonald's getting some chicken nuggets. And then I see her friend getting some more chicken nuggets. And then it's asking me the total. I'm going to have to put those chicken nuggets together. So I know for this problem, I'm going to have to add. Now I took the numbers out so you didn't know what they were, but I'm going to have to add those numbers because it says she ordered some chicken nuggets and her friend ordered some chicken nuggets, and I'm looking for the total number of nuggets, okay? So if I put numbers in there, she ordered the 6-piece and her friend ordered the 12-piece chicken nuggets. Well, if I need the total, I've got to say, well, Morgan ordered 6, and then her friend ordered 12 more, and I'm looking for the total. Well, the total is going to be 18 nuggets because that's what I'm looking for, right? So don't just see numbers and start. Most second graders, here's what they do. They see numbers and they add up every number in the problem. But before you decide if you're going to add or subtract, I want you to make sure you know exactly what that problem's asking you, okay? So let's look at the next one. Michael had blank basketball games during his season. He already played blank games. How many games does he have left to play? So I'm going to get a movie going in my head. All right, so I know about basketball games and seasons because I've played on some teams and my daughter's played on teams, so I know what that's like. So I know he had how many basketball games during the whole season, right? So I know the total number of games. He already played so many games. So my question was, how many games does he have left to play? So I'm worrying about games. So do I need this first number? Yes, I am going to need that total number. And he already played so many games, right? How many games does he have left to play? Well, the word left usually tells me something happened to them and there's some left. So usually that word, I'm going to box it because it's a good clue word that helps me know, well, some of the games, something's happened to those. Now, since I already know the total number of games, I think this problem would be a great problem to use your part whole mat on, okay? So I already know the whole amount of games, right? And I know one of the numbers. So if I think about it, I know this number and I know this number, and I'm looking for this number. And I know when my part whole mat looks like this, I subtract, right? So I'm going to say, let's put some numbers in there. He had 20 games in the season, and he's already played 8 games. So I would subtract this problem. 20 games minus 8 equals 12 games left. So before you get numbers and start adding, think about what's going on. Get a little movie going on in your head. And then if I were doing this problem, remember I'm going to write 12 games left, and I'm going to circle my answer so we can find it. Okay? All right, let's go to the next one. This time I want you to try it on your own. Okay? Okay, so here's the problem I want you to visualize. Rashawn went to the grocery store. He had blank dollars in his pocket. Let me fix that. Instead of saying they, he's only one person, right? He had blank dollars in his pocket. He spent blank dollars on Doritos and blank dollars on Capri Sun drinks. How much money did he have left in his pocket after he paid for the Doritos and the Capri Sun? So I'm going to read that again and you get a picture in your mind. Rashawn went to the grocery store. He had blank dollars in his pocket. He spent blank dollars on Doritos and blank dollars on Capri Suns. How much money did he have left in his pocket after he paid for the Doritos and the Capri Suns? Okay, so I'm going to underline my question. How much money did he have left in his pocket after he paid for the Doritos and Capri Suns? So I'm wondering about money, right? So am I going to need this number of how much money he had to begin with? It's about dollars, so I do need this number. He spent blank dollars. I'm going to need this number. And blank dollars. I'm going to need this number. Now, I know when there are three numbers in a problem, that means I have two steps to do. I'm going to have to do two things to solve this problem. Okay? How much money did he have left in his pocket? Well, left is another word I know. Something happened to some of that money. All right? So what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video and I want you to draw a picture of what you're seeing in your mind, what you're visualizing in your journal. So stop the video, push pause, and draw a little sketch, a quick sketch of what you're seeing in your mind. I'm going to read it one more time. Rashawn went to the grocery store. He had blank dollars in his pocket. He spent blank dollars on Doritos and blank dollars on Capri Sun drinks. How much money did he have left in his pocket after he paid for the Doritos? So draw a quick sketch and then come back to me. All right, so when I was thinking about this problem, I saw a boy with a bunch of money in his pocket first. And then I saw him taking money out and paying for some Doritos and paying for some Capri Suns. And then I was trying to figure out how much money did he have left. So now I'm going to put some numbers in here. And what I want you to do is to solve this under your picture of where you drew a picture of what it looked like. And then I want you to post it on Seesaw for me. Okay. So let's see. Rashawn had $18 in his pocket. He spent $3 on Doritos and Capri Sun drinks. Let's say he bought a lot of them. He spent $4 on Capri Sun drinks. How much money did he have left in his pocket? So your job is to, you can pause this video and so you can keep the words up there for you, but I want you to, you've already drawn a picture of what you saw in your mind. Now I want to see if you can solve this and post it on Seesaw for me. And then for the rest of the time, when you see problems, I want you to start visualizing them, seeing a little movie in your head of what's going on. All right, I can't wait to see your answers.